Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Kamal here from Kamal Chilaka Photography. I'm a landscape, travel and fine art photographer based in India. I've been making videos related to the art of photography. This is my first video about gear. I'm doing an unboxing today. I'm doing an unboxing video of the MC21 adapter from Sigma. So the MC21 adapter comes in this little white box. And as you can see with the sticker on it, it shows it comes with a 2-year warranty here in India that I'm doing the unboxing. The MC21 adapter costed me about 21,000 rupees, that's in INR, so roughly around $300 US. So let's open it up now. So as you can open the box, you notice it comes with some the usual brochures and warranty cards. Keep them carefully because you never know when you may need them in case of a malfunction, or in case you want to sell the adapter down the line. So I always keep these safe in a folder for future use. So now opening up the box, the inner box, you notice the MC21 adapter in a plastic sleeve. The first impression is it's a nice solidly built adapter along the lines of the really nice Sigma Art series of lenses. Build quality is excellent, feels solid and built to last. So this is designed basically for the using Canon EF lenses on L mount cameras such as the Leica SL2, Panasonic S1 series, S1, S1R, S1H, and also on the Sigma FP camera, which was launched recently. It comes with a tripod foot, so you can attach the adapter to the tripod directly instead of the camera. So I think this is a good way to balance out, especially if you're using a heavier lens, and not put too much pressure on the camera and lens mount. It's good to just fix the adapter on the tripod, and that way the lens and camera are well balanced on both sides of the adapter. So you can see this doesn't have any glass element. It's just it's more of an electronic. It really does two things. One is increases the flange distance from the lens to the sensor, because Canon EF mount lenses are designed for use with DSLR bodies, which usually have a longer flange distance, whereas the mirrorless cameras, the L mount cameras, usually have a shorter flange distance. So this does the work of increasing the flange distance and also passing on the electrical information from the lens to the camera, such as the aperture, EXIF data, and also the autofocus information. So I have in my hand the Lumix S1H L mount camera and the Sigma 35mm art lens for Canon EF. So you can't directly mount the lens on the camera, so that's where this adapter comes in handy. So you fix the adapter to the camera, and then you mount the lens onto the adapter. And now your Canon EF lens is ready for use with the L mount camera body, such as the S1H here, with autofocus functionality, but with a small caveat: it does not work with continuous autofocus mode. It only works in AFS mode, So it's okay for still photography, but it's not ideal for shooting videos with. So there you can see the AF is working fine. I'll be doing a test of the autofocus performance using various lenses on the S1H body, and that video will be coming shortly. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to be notified about future videos. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.